Welcome. If you're looking to create a scheduled space on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, scheduling your own live audio conversation is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps so you can set up your space and connect with your audience at the perfect time. First, open your preferred browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find the More icon. Click on it, and you'll see the option to create your space. Click that, and you're on your way. Before you go any further, you'll need to decide who can speak in your space. You'll see options like everyone, people you follow, or only people you invite. Choose the one that fits your conversation best. Next, it's time to set the topic. Write a clear and engaging title that tells people what your space is all about. If you want, you can also add up to 3 relevant topics to help X recommend your space to the right audience. Now, instead of starting your space immediately, look for the Schedule Space option next to Start Now. Click on it, and a calendar will pop up. Here, you can pick the date and time you want your space to go live. Once you've chosen the perfect time, click Schedule Space. X will ask you to confirm your choice, so double-check the details and hit Confirm. That's it. Your space is now scheduled. X will send you a reminder before your space starts, and your followers can set notifications so they don't miss out. You can always review or edit your scheduled spaces from your profile if you need to make changes before going live. With these simple steps, you'll be ready to host engaging conversations and bring your community together on X right from your PC. Happy hosting!